Uh-oh.
That one was epic.
I think he cracked it a little too good. Oh my God! Prank Alan back. Alex? Now that I did one of your dares, I dare you guys to like this video.
All right.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
What was that? That's my TV, Alan. Alright, so here are the names on our refrigerator for this week. And if you want your name written on our fridge for an entire week, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down done when you are done. So we saw another trend on the internet where you give your dog sparkling water. Sit.
Why is it spicy?
Look how excited Tokyo is. Look at what you're doing, and look what Alex is doing. Alex, why are you always eating?
Alex, no, you can't. You have to lose weight. You're eating too much.
Do you actually think I'm fat?
Little bit.
Hey, come on, guys! I thought we were doing carnival karaoke!
No, Sean, are you okay? We need to call a chiropractor. Hello? I watch all of your videos, but I am not subscribed. You must be one of the 70%. I don't know who you are. And I don't know what you want. If you're trying to play games, I can tell you I don't have the time. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills that make me a nightmare for non-subscribers like you. If you subscribe now, that will be the end of it. I will not look for you, I will not pursue you. But if you don't subscribe, I will look for you. I will find you, and I will make you subscribe. Good luck. I told you I would find you. Alright guys, but on a serious note, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on our post notifications, because if you don't subscribe, we will look for you, we will find you, and we will make you subscribe. Alright, so right now we're with Dr. Cracks, and we're all gonna get our bones cracked for the first time. Literally, we've never gotten our bones cracked. That's so safe right now.
You're definitely safe.
Okay. I know he's nervous.
I'm kind of excited though. Like this is gonna be.
You have to love it.
So who wants to go first?
I want to see one of you.
Yeah. Really? You want me to go first?
I'll go first.
Should I go first? You go first. Okay, I'll go first. All right.
Ooh,
I'm nervous.
Alright, so I'll take guys here. Ready for it? So breathe in and out one right there. Ready? All the way out.
Oh! That was a good one.
Oh my god.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Let's get a clean booty shot real quick.
A clean booty shot right here.
Sticker, me or Alex? 100% me.
Comment down below.
Oh! Oh! That was
good.
Let's do the neck right.
Oh wait, I don't know about the neck. Oh,
There we go.
wow. Wait, you good on?
That one was epic.
I think he cracked it a little too good.
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Oh no!
I haven't done anything yet.
What? Help
I haven't
me!
even touched him yet.
Calm down, Holy sh! Oh my god, that was crazy.
It was crazy, I told you.
Holy sh! That's crazy.
Relax.
There it is. There we go. Wow.
Just relax. See? That wasn't that bad, right? That wasn't that bad.
That was smooth. That was
That
smooth.
was smooth.
Dr. Flipping crack.
Okay, Alex, that's too much.
Alex, this is your first time getting your back adjusted, correct?
Yes.
All right.
Oh
Let me see what we got in here. All right. There.
Oh my god!
Here we go, you guys.
Look at that booty work.
Oh my gosh. It literally goes right when he touched it. Yeah.
That was a good one.
There it is. That's all you get right there. Wait for the neck.
Oh, you want the neck?
That one was amazing. Holy crap.
There we go.
There you go.
He's next.
Oh, me? Nah, I'm good. I'm good.
Yes.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Over here. Get over here.
Nah,
Sean. No,
I'm good.
yes.
I'm good.
He's extra caked up.
Oh, yeah.
That one was a good one. Did you like that, Sean?
Oh, you want to do the neck?
No, not the.
Whoa! Let's try to get this video to 150,000 likes if you guys enjoyed it. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.